Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
How to add a video background in PowerPoint presentation. It is very simple and very easy. First, you need to open your PowerPoint. Then you click here and go to the layout. Then blank one. Then you need to go to view. Here you can select the master and you can select last one, and here you can select insert layout. Then you open your video file and drag and drop there. Then adjust it according to your slide. Now you can select the playback and here you can select automatic. Then you need to go to your view and go to the normal view. Now you can click here and select this one. If you see the slideshow, it is playing inside your PowerPoint. Okay, and you can add your text. Like this, you can add a video background in the PowerPoint presentation. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.